You said it was 700, so I don't think it's Priory of the Orange Tree, because that's more like 1,000 something. 1500s France and religion. Oh no. See, I felt that way about the first Wheel of Time. I couldn't even get into the first one. I wanted to. I wanted to like it so much. I want to try again one time, but that first attempt was not successful. Haven't been to a library since I finished university. Libraries are great. With Priory, I haven't read it yet. See, the thing is, I hear really extreme sides of the reviews. My friend tried to read it. She's like, it was awful. I couldn't get through it. It was just so boring. And then my other friend is like, it was amazing. I loved it so much. And like, I don't know who to believe. Then the reviews seem pretty mixed too. Although I do read long form fantasy quite often. I don't think I could read it now because I'm kind of in a reading place where I need things that happen a little faster than a long form fantasy. But I have been known to enjoy like really long fantasy books, so maybe? The Burning Chambers. Oh, I don't know that one. Read the whole series twice and I still hate the middle books. That I forgot to return a library book and that the fine has racked up in the thousands. Oh my gosh, so stressful. Medium pacing and density at most. Feel very lucky that I have a friend who shares almost identical taste and gives very good recommendations. Oh, that's really helpful. What my Goodreads or Storygraph, it's very sad. There's not much on it. It's very like spaced out. Welcome in, Black Tomcat. How are you? Did y'all get haircuts? The shark actually just came from a haircut. It's nice of you to notice. She was wondering if anyone would. How's your Monday? My Monday is good. Monday be Mondaying. I'm determined to make it a good Monday, so there's that. What about you? How was your weekend? How's your Monday? Summer's definitely over here. Lasted a grand total of 2 months. Yeah. That question wasn't directed at